So, you want to make your very own website. Great, because a website is an amazing way to share all the information and ideas you have on your head with someone else. And the best part about a website is that it stays on the internet forever. So you always leave a trace of your presence behind on the world as a whole. However, isn't it a bit difficult to make your own website? Not at all. Today, we're going to learn about one amazing tool you can use to make your very own website, and it's as simple as ABC. So let's exit out of PPT to see what it is. So you take your web browser, and all you need to search is Google Sites. Now, Google Sites is an amazing web developing software, and it's just like Wix or Weebly. However, since Google Sites does not have a lot of ads on YouTube, you probably haven't heard about it before. But don't worry, it's going to be a household name after you watch this video. Now, once you click on Google Sites, you'll usually have to sign in. However, in this case, I've already signed in. Once you sign in, it's all pretty straightforward. Now, if you go up, you can see that it says start a new site. And here are a lot of templates for you to follow. Now, it's completely up to you whether you want to use it or not. But here are some of them. Maybe you're getting inspired from them. But for today's lesson, let's start off with a blank site. As you can see, we already have a site ready for us at this point. The only thing we need to do is customize it. And the first thing that you can do to customize your website is to go to themes. And you can see that Google offers you all these themes. 6 themes, and you can choose any that you want. For our session today, let's take the Diplomat. Seems a bit diplomatic. Sorry about that. And let's try changing the color. Let's see. This seems to be a good color. Now after that, you can set a title for your page. Now your title does not necessarily have to be the name of your website. You can just go like this. That's it. And you can enter your site name here. So for this one, let's call it the IPQ A* project. A bit of foreshadowing there, perhaps. Let's hope. Now, once you have done this, you have the option to change your header type. So you can change it to a title only, which looks like this. You can change it to a large banner, which looks like this. Or you can make your entire page a cover. It's completely up to you. For now, let's stick with the basic banner. Let's see what else Google Sites can do. Switching on to pages, you can see that we're currently at home and we can add any page we want. So let's add a page called resources. Once that's ready, as you can see, we now have 2 pages in our website. Wow, we're quick, aren't we? So let's call this the amazing resources. Now, once you're done with that, you can go to insert and you can add a text box. Let's see what a text box is. Now, let's say you want to promote your resources. So let's boast about it. The amazing resources compiled by yours truly. Just like any Word document, Google Sites offers the opportunity to change your fonts. It gives you the opportunity to bolden, italicize, and underline your text, to insert a link, and if you think it's not good, the chance to remove it. Aside from this, as you can see, you have the opportunity to insert an image. So let's insert a random image there. Let's see, there's a very nice picture of me there. Let's insert that. And you can change the position of that image. So let's keep it at the center. But that's not all. If you look here, you'll see a list of all the features that Google Sites has to offer. And because Google Sites is a Google website, you get to automatically import all the things you've made on Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Forms, Google Charts, Google Map, Google Calendar, and even YouTube. So let's see. Let's take a YouTube video and upload it on our site. So let's say we want a video on research. So we just have to search it up and we get videos. You can choose any of them. Let's take the TEDx talk, 6 reasons why research is cool. And we select and it automatically pops onto your website. Now, if you want to make it a bit larger, you can. If you want to move it to the center, you can do that too. And that's as simple as possible. Now, if you want to redirect your users to somewhere else, you can put in a link. So let's say we want to redirect our users to Google. So we put this as Google and we can even paste the link. So let's just copy google.ae's link there. Google.ae, insert. And once users click this, they'll be automatically redirected to Google. Amazing, isn't it? Now you can play around with all these amazing features, but since this is just a small tutorial for you, let's see what else we can do after we finish our website. Now, after we finish our website, the first thing we can do is preview our website. And it's really important to do this to see how our website looks on a computer. But that's not all, because Google offers you the chance to see how your website looks on a tablet. This is how it looks on a tablet. And this is how it looks on a phone. The best part about doing this is that you can identify mistakes in your design. So for example, the S here does not look very professional on a tablet, and that's something we need to change. Now, once you're happy, just click Exit Preview, and you'll be brought back to the editing platform. Now, if you would like to share this with other people so that they can edit it, just go to Links, click on Change, and you can put the draft to anyone with the link, and anyone with the link can change and edit your website. Now, after that, don't forget to keep it restricted, otherwise it might turn into a very messy situation. After that, click on Done, and you can go and publish your website. Now, let's give a web address to our website. Now, as you can see, since we are using this site for free, we'll have to stick with a common site URL. So whatever we type in the web address box will be put at the end of the URL of Google Sites. So let's call this the IPQ project. So as you can see, our full website address is https://sites.google.com/view/the IPQ However, if you are a business or someone really professional, you might want to leave out this part where it says Google Sites. To do that, you can make your very own custom URL, but do know that you need to buy a URL in advance. So to do that, you go to sites like GoDaddy, which can give you your perfect domain. You need to pay, but after that, you just have to insert it in Google Sites and it automatically links your domain with your website. Now, finally, you can also click to see who can view your website. So if you only want specific people to be shared, add their emails here. And it's as simple as that. Now, let's click Publish and see what happens. Voila! Your website has been published. To see this in action, let's check if it works. So let's go to Google let's go to our search address and type in sites.google.com/view/the IPQ project. There must have been a mistake in our publishing. Let's check it once more. Don't worry, do not get disheartened because usually it's something that happens when you get the URL wrong. And if you want to view your published site from the Google Sites platform itself, just click on View Published Site and you'll be taken to your site. Unfortunately, the thing we missed in our URL was the A. So let's type that in and see if that works. Let's put an A in between IPQ and project and let's see. It should work. There you go. Nothing to be worried about. So this is a website, and as you can see, we have the resources tab here, an amazing photo of me there, and you can automatically watch YouTube videos from your website. What more could you ask for? For something that you can do from the comfort of your home and for free. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you can make an amazing website. Go break a leg, my friend. Go break a leg.